Hello everyone, I am Kumar Prakhar from AI division at VIT Bhopal.
And I am Rahul Sanjay Mandviya from AI Division VIT Bhopal.
Well, Hexaberry Data Science community was started in April last year, and when it was started, it had an impart knowledge of industrial practices in data science among students in Indian colleges. We joined the community in July last year, and in October, we became core team members after we successfully completed a project on forecasting stock price trends in the Indian stock market. During this time, we also helped establish the community and grow its presence among Indian colleges.
So the idea originated in our community, and what we did is we basically pitched the idea in front of our faculty coordinator Dr. Pandi Murugan, and he gave us few suggestions, and he also found the idea quite unique, and he suggested us that why not get this product patented. And that is where our journey began onto doing the research about the whole topic and also working onto the hardware prototype. He helped us throughout the whole working prototype part, and now successfully we have filed the provisional patent and are working towards getting the grant for the same.
Well, our project required quite a lot of IoT along with data science in order for us to build the first hardware prototype. Being AI students, it was quite difficult for us to work with sensors in the beginning, but we pushed through and reached out to a few industry people who helped us out in designing our sensor and building the first basic working prototype.
The curriculum at VIT Bhopal University has always created curiosity in our mind regarding the subject. Since then, we started working on various projects as we are kinesthetic learners and we believe in practically applying our knowledge. So, after completing all the projects which were at a beginner level, we thought that now we are eligible in applying our skills onto some real world industrial problems. In order to do that, we started hunting for internships on LinkedIn. We contacted various industry executives and also some technological experts outside India as well. And now we are happy to let you know that we are working with True Feedback Chain, a blockchain based company in Turkey. We are working there as data scientists as well as software developer with their product team on their ongoing product. We are working on advanced technologies like Dask, Apache Data Sketches, Edge AI, federated learning, then also on differential privacy and the most important topic, which is cryptographic cipher.
Well, I would like to say thank you to everyone who has supported us in our journey till now. And I would like to close by saying that we would like to keep on working on new projects and keep on achieving new milestones. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Aryan Dabade and I'm student of AI division. In last 2 years, I've participated in two big competitions. One was National Business Competition, which was held in VIT Bhopal, and second was National Entrepreneurship Challenge, which was held in IIT Bombay. Talking about the business model competition, we were supposed to make a business model, then we have to pitch in front of the judges, and we were given just less than 7 minutes. And in this competition, I was a runner-up, and I got the prize worth of rupees 10,000. And then afterwards, we went to NEC, that was a National Entrepreneurship Challenge, where more than 600 teams have participated. It was a 6 months long competition, and our all entrepreneurship skills were tested in that competition. And it was held in IIT Bombay, and we grabbed the second prize in all over India in this competition, and we grabbed the prize of rupees 1 lakh in this competition.
Hello everyone, my name is Shakalya Mitra and I am from AI division. Curriculum at VIT Bhopal has always created an inquisitive nature in me and curiousness about the particular subject. Since then, I started looking for real-world applications and built a lot of projects. I started posting about the projects on my LinkedIn to also build my personal brand. From there, I got to know about the opportunity as an intern in the field of web development in a startup called ThinkSage. I applied and got selected for the position. My day-to-day responsibilities at that startup was to develop their post page of the website. Their post page was designed using WordPress, so I was required to learn that technical thing of WordPress and apply them in their post page. I learned various technical skills like WordPress, Elementor, Learn-Dash LMS, and etc. All skills are integrated and made a complete powerful website. In any website you see like Udemy or Khan Academy, these technologies are used extensively. So I learned how to learn new skills and also applied the skills in a real world application and combated the problems faced by real users. I also solved some problems that a user faced by signing in by integrating the backend with the frontend and solving the issues. This way, through this internship, I learned how to develop new skills, apply the new skills in real world projects, and upskill yourself. In my first year, I applied for various programs and got selected into many. One of the programs was the Machine Learning and Deep Learning Show, in which I was among the top 30 students to be selected from around the world among numerous applicants. Over the 3 weeks, I learned the basics of machine learning and deep learning and applied them in projects. Our project took second among all the projects the other members did. I also got selected in a 100 Days of Uplift program by GirlScript Foundation, where you get to learn about a particular skill for 100 days. I have been a part of the program for the past 3 weeks and I am the top participant there. I have built many projects using Android Dev with Kotlin, like Customizable ClipView, Bookshop application, music player, etc. I am also a part of various open source organizations like Let's Promote Summer of Code, GirlScript Summer of Code, and DevIncept Summer of Code. These all programs have led to me to learn about the basics of open source and how to apply the skills in real-world applications through open source. These were all the programs that I applied for in my first year and learned a lot.